Hey everybody, it's Kelly, and today I have my December daily cover for you. So I'm using that Simple Stories album, and I'm thinking about using some washi tape combined with one of the cards from Elle's Studio and the December 2018 piece from Elle's Studio. If you're interested in seeing what products I'm using this year, go to the December Daily playlist, and I have a December prep video where I show you everything that I'm putting aside for my December Daily. I also, in the same December Daily 2018 playlist, also have a unboxing of the Elle's Studio December Documented Kit, which is kind of the backbone of what this is. And that's, I believe, where most of these cards are from, is that December Documented Kit. They also did just put out the November kit also had some cards in it as well too. So, and I don't remember what's what anymore. So I'm just kind of looking, and I'm thinking that I want to use that red card next to the green tape there, which is from Freckled Fawn. And then I was thinking about using a green card, but the 3x4 card was just too much. So I grabbed this tag with a Christmas tree on it, and that is from the Elle's Studio December Documented Kit. And I'm just kind of playing around with some sort of arrangement. Now I have these Pebbles snowflakes here. They're glittered and white. Those are from, I think, about 2016, but they weren't as white as the acrylic there. So I put those back for now, and I'm going to a really old product. These are some Heidi Swapp acrylic snowflakes. And I'm thinking I really like how that looks, because they don't take as much attention as the rest of the items on the cover does right now. I think if it was as thick as that first snowflake I tried, it would be competing with the December 2018 there. And this year I'm not even concerned, because you're looking at the things I'm thinking about using. I'm not even concerned about putting like daily on it, because I'm not quite sure what that's going to look like for me. I'm, how I'm going to exactly document this. I mean, I'm going to do a video a day, but I'm not sure. I shouldn't say, I guess it will be a daily element, but I'm not sure exactly how that's going to look. Anyway, sorry guys, tangent D. So now I'm kind of looking at how I'm going to arrange that snowflake, and I really like it peeking out between those two, or the card and the tag there. I also grabbed some of the smaller Heidi Swapp snowflakes there and put them on, and then I had to change my ATG, but I saved you the pain of watching that through the magic of photo editing. So I'll glue down the pieces here, which obviously you can see me doing. And right now I have two of the smaller snowflakes on my work surface there, and I'm not quite sure that I want them on, but that other smaller one didn't just come off really easily. So I left it on there up on top. I think I tried to do something similar to this last year that I just didn't like. And so I was kind of unsure again, but I was using different snowflakes when I did that. So now I put my ATG on, and I'm just, it's going across the open spaces in a couple places, so I'm just doing that. I find that if I use my ATG to attach these acrylics, they stay brilliantly. They're not a problem. They don't fall off even when they're on the front of something. I've done it with snowflakes for sure and other things. I didn't think about this, but I had all those white stars I probably could have used on this. But I have that little snowflake issue, so in my stash of December Daily products, I thought I would do that. And now I forgot to include some twine in my kit, so I've got some red and some green kit. Kelly green, as a matter of fact, one of my favorite colors. Anyway, so I grabbed those out of my twine stash, and then I'll just add these into my December Daily, into my little basket. I don't want to have to get up and get things, because I want this process to go as fast as possible. That twine is from the Paper Studio, so Hobby Lobby had like a big thing of, like, I don't know, 12 or 24 or something, a lot of different spools. I think I forgot to tell you, by the way, that the green washi tape is from Freckled Fawn. I do have some of those Elle Studio puffy stickers and also the puffy stickers from Pebbles that matches Cozy and Bright. And the Elle Studio puffy stickers came with the December documented kit. And I was just thinking, do I want to put anything more on there? And now I go back again to the Heidi Swapp snowflakes there. And I added a bigger one at the bottom. I thought it needed more there. It wasn't quite big enough. So then I added another little one there. And then I kind of like the idea of two of them up on top. So I used one of the smaller ones, put that up on top. Now I'm toying with doing the same, like 2 snowflakes on the bottom here. And these stick pretty well, despite the fact that they're, you know, they're on like that kind of chipboard. Okay, so I decided not to do 2 on the bottom. Thinking about doing that one on top there and then moving that one on the side around a little bit. I am going to come back off camera and add just a little bit of my Scotch Tacky adhesive underneath. Okay, so I have all the snowflakes on and I like the way that looks. Here's a still shot and a detail shot. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back very soon with my actual process videos for my December daily. And by the way, happy Thanksgiving for all of you that are celebrating. Bye!